Fear. It is the silent companion that stands beside you as you prepare to present your ideas. It grips your heart, scatters your mind, and makes you doubt your own brilliance. Fear of being judged, fear of rejection, fear that your work, your effort, your creativity is not enough. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, what is this fear? Where does it come from? And why do we allow it to hold us hostage? This course is not just about learning techniques to present your work. It's about transformation. It is about understanding fear not as an enemy, but as a teacher. Fear arises because you care deeply. Fear arises because you want to be seen, understood, and accepted. And in that care lies the seed of connection. We will go on a journey together into this space, exploring the roots of fear and how to move beyond it. You will discover that presenting is not about perfecting or pleasing others. It is about authenticity. It is about sharing your vision in a way that allows others to feel it too. In this course, we'll focus on what really matters, helping you move past that fear of presenting. You'll learn simple techniques to manage your anxiety, structure your ideas, and connect with others by showing them the deeper meaning behind your project. We'll talk about how to handle rejections and critiques without taking it personally, and how to use feedback to grow instead of letting it hold you back. You'll also discover how to bring out the best in your project, making sure others see its full potential. When you present with love for what you've created, that energy is contagious. It's what inspires people and makes them care. By the end of this journey, you will not just present, you will inspire. So if you're ready, let's begin.